Yeah, boss, you are going. Alright, so you see the same shorty from the other day in our shop? Yeah, me and her have a reason. She tell me say her cousin named Andrew work with one Chinese woman. And me ask her what the Chinese woman name. She said the Chinese woman named Susan. And them call her Masu. So you know that, go. Bossy. Alright. I never want to go so deep in a bossy. Alright, bossy. One for the team. Not a problem. I get it done, see? So I will link you back with more info. I'm going to link her up right now. Alright, later. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's say
likewise, yo.
So let's say go.
Yeah. So you remember the last time we were released then? And you did mention a certain Masu?
Yeah man, remember man, the big man we are doing dirt. Yeah man, now she had done that do the thing on the ground man. Whole heap of food she had make running now.
Dirt is right. I happened to meet this lady twice, and based on what I see, I was forced to look a little deeper. And after much digging and investigation, I come to tell you to make the daughters them know, say, I know.
King, get to the point now, King man, and stop.
Listen when me a say no bad man.
Right.
I know. Say the daughters and this lady team up is facilitating young ladies turning up missing.
King man, what kind of missing girl thing you talk about? You sure the right woman you talk about?
Big man, this lady, I have proof that she's affiliated with a number of organizations. All of them deal mainly with young ladies. And to tell you the truth, all of them affiliations have been turning up missing young ladies without fail, including the IDEM organization. Do you know that the last 2 groups of 10 that came here are only 6 reached back from each of them 10 groups there?
King man,
Yeah.
you know it's a big man thing, I never like how you are raised. You come with about investigation and something like you're police. And I come see you chat to police. King man, how you really are did?
Youth, you hear anything when I said to you a while ago?
Mr. Caronium, shop full. Business are going well, man. I want that, you know. Hello. Hey.
Yo, King, right now I not hear nothing what you say. You come like me is plug out. Yo, more you hear what me I say. Then, you see that program here? I eat a put food for one heap of people and boy at table. I eat a say enough of youth them go school. How you do, King? I try stop man food. How you do? Yo, King. Watch what you do, you know. Cause tilt your crown for tilt all night, you know that. You come permanent. Yo, come like a... You're done or you're police. King man, how you do?
Quick. Me and you can't war. You hear that?